Dimensions and weight. iPhone 16e 146 multiplied by 71 x 7.8 millimeters and 167 grams. iPhone 16 147 multiplied by 71 x 7.8 millimeters and 170 grams. Water resistant. Both models. IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Display type. Both models, 6.1-inch Super Retina XD or OLED display with a 60 Hz refresh rate. Brightness. iPhone 16e, 1200 nits peak brightness. iPhone 16, 2000 nits peak brightness. Resolution. iPhone 16e, 2532 multiplied by 1170 pixels at 457 pi. iPhone 16, 2556 multiplied by 1179 pixels at 460 pi. iOS. Both models run on iOS 18 with Apple Intelligence features. CPU and GPU. iPhone 16e powered by the A18 chip with a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU. iPhone 16 features the A18 chip with a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. RAM. Both models equipped with 8 GB of RAM. Storage. Both models available in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB variants. Charging. iPhone 16e 20 watts wired charging and 7.5 watts Qi wireless charging. iPhone 16 20 watts wired charging, 15 watts Qi 2 wireless charging, and MagSafe wireless 25 watts. Battery Rio port. iPhone 16e up to 26 hours of video playback. iPhone 16 up to 22 hours of video playback. Main camera. iPhone 16e single 48MP fusion camera with 2x telephoto lens. iPhone 16 dual camera system, 48MP main and 12MP ultra-wide lenses. Camera zoom. iPhone 16e offers 1x and 2x optical zoom options. iPhone 16 provides 0, 5x, 1x, and 2x optical zoom options. Video recording. Both models support 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS. Selfie camera. Both models equipped with a 12MP front camera. Network. Both models 5G capable. USB port. Both models equipped with a USB-C port supporting USB 2.0 speeds. Price. iPhone 16e, 128 GB, $599. 256 GB, $699. 512 GB, $899. iPhone 16, 128 GB, $799. 256 GB, $899. 512 GB, $1,099.